Hello, my name is Ali and I will be the facilitator for our presentation.
Hi, my name is Paige. I'll be acting as the clinician.
My name is Abby, and I'll be acting as the parent.
My name's Mia, and I'll be acting as a child.
Our topic is tips and support for parents of children who stutter, and we will be reenacting a clinician coming into the home to help provide support for the parents by showing a slideshow.
Hi, my name is Paige. I am a speech therapist. What's your name?
My name's Mia, and I'm 7 years old.
Nice to meet you, Mia.
And I'm Mia's parent, Abby.
Awesome. Mia, I'm going to talk to your mom for a little bit now.
Okay, bye.
All right, so Abby, what are any of your thoughts or concerns about Mia's stuttering?
So I'm just worried about how she'll be treated at school for her stuttering, if there's anything that I did wrong, just having guilt and confusion on what I should do and how I could help her.
Okay, well, those are all totally normal feelings, so don't feel alone. I'll explain to you quickly what stuttering is. Stuttering is an interruption in the flow of speech experienced by both typically developing individuals, which just means normal, and individuals who stutter. The core behaviors of stuttering are repetitions, prolongations, and blocks. And the definitions for all those are pretty straightforward there. And then I will talk to you a little bit about the causes of stuttering. So as a parent, most importantly, just remember that your behavior did not cause Mia's stuttering. There is a genetic basis for stuttering, but there are several other factors that play into this as well, such as stress and many other things. Any questions so far?
No, not so far.
Okay, so now I'm going to dive in some things that you can do just on a daily basis to help support Mia. You can do this, your partner, her siblings, you can talk to her teacher about this, or I can. But I will just get through this list with you. So first and foremost, when Mia is having a moment of disfluency, don't interrupt her. Just let her work through that. Let her get her sound or her word out that she's stuck on her own. And don't try and get the word out for her. And then another thing is if you speak multiple languages in your home, I would try to keep it down to just one language while you're talking to Abby. Another really important thing is to just give Mia your undivided attention when you're talking to her. Make sure she knows that you're listening to her. Make sure she's not talking over any siblings or friends. And just, nod your head, make eye contact, do things like that to make Mia feel supported and listened to through her moments of disfluency. And then when Mia comes home from school and she's super excited, talking really fast, that's gonna help, that's gonna increase stuttering. So just remind her to go slow and don't rush to get her words out. And then another thing is if Mia's having a really bad day and she's stuttering more than often, don't force her to use verbal speech. This can cause a lot of stress and anxiety. And then another thing that's really important is to just try and avoid using really complex and complicated language around Mia. Does that all make sense so far?
Yes.
Awesome.
And then,
Here's some really common questions that parents might have. Did you want me to answer any of these for you?
yeah, I was wondering if Mia will ever grow out of her stuttering.
So about 75% of the time, children will outgrow their stutter. There are several factors that play into this, but there is a pretty high likelihood that Mia could outgrow her stutter.
Perfect. Well, thank you for all the information, and it was all very helpful.
Of course, it was great to meet you today. I will send you a PDF document of these slides just for your future reference.
Perfect.
That concludes our presentation on tips and support for parents of children who stutter. Thank you.